It's the start of another video. Here we go. Tic-tac-toe. That means 3 in a row. But if I wanted to play a game with foe, it would be connect foe to the toe. Listen, guys. You guys already know I'm starting every video off with some type of bars. I don't care what you think. This is what I do, man. I like to have fun in my videos, and I hope you guys like to do the same thing. But anyways, Rebels, you already know what time it is, man. Video up. Let's get to it. Family, what's good? Rebels, what's up? It's your boy CJ McGill, back with another video, guys. You already know what's up, man. 9 times out of 10, guys, when you see me on camera, we're talking something sneaker related. Maybe we're talking something sneaker news. Maybe we're talking something about an emerging brand or whatever the case may be, guys. But today, guys, definitely going to be hitting you with a sneaker review. All right, so before we get into that, family, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MacTheRebel. All right, that's M-A-C-T-H-E Rebel. For Twitter, guys, just put an underscore at the end of the name. And family, also while you're at it, make sure you comment on all the videos that are on the channel. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you do all the things that we need to do to keep the channel going. Make sure that it's steadily growing, slowly but surely, in the right direction, guys. So family, Rebels, with that being said, you already know what's up. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it is time for a sneaker review. And today, guys, we're doing a review on a classic, truly a timeless, in my opinion, a timeless piece of art, a timeless sneaker in the sneaker world, guys, that we have all grown to love. As you already know, Rebels, y'all already know how I get down. I love the Jordan 4. All right, the Jordan 4 is my all-time favorite silhouette. It is my all-time favorite Jordan brand silhouette, I should say. And I'm really excited to do this review, man, honestly, because the shoe, it just means so much to me when you're growing up as a fan of Michael Jordan. Watching him play in these, guys, and just watching him play in general is already amazing, but it just says something to me when I see the classic shoes return. So with that being said, family, today we are going to be doing a review on the Air Jordan Retro 4 Fire Red. Let's go. Alright, family, now that we're back, you already know what we're talking about, man. We are talking today about the Air Jordan Retro 4 Fire Red in all of its classic glory, okay? So, guys, you already know, when it comes to the Jordan 4, there are some very, very memorable classics, I should say, with the Jordan 4. So you have the ones like the Bread 4, the Cement 4, and many others too, guys. But today we're talking about the Fire Red 4. And you know what, family? Let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing you're going to notice, guys, I always start with the toe box on the shoe just because it's the first thing that most people see when you're approaching them wearing a sneaker. So the cool thing about this entire shoe, guys, is that the leather on it, although I did not think the leather was going to be that good based on pictures that I had seen, it is truly good quality, guys. All right, so if you look right here, you see that really nice stitching right there on the toe box, guys. Just gonna take it on around. Of course, you got the upper engulfed in that same nice quality leather. We have the OG Nike Air on the back of the shoe. Nike, Jordan brand, good job bringing the OG status back. OG Nike Air hang tag, man, for all the people who love the nostalgia behind the Jordan 4. You got your traditional Jordan 4, your traditional Jordan Flight branding on the tongue right there, guys. And of course, that never forgettable, that very unforgettable red and black color blocking on the midsole. And of course, you have that traditional red, white, and gray sole on the bottom, guys. All right, and on the inside it does have the Nike Air. I know you guys probably can't see that, it's probably too dark, but it is that Nike Air logo going on the inner sole. And let's see, what else do we got, man? Of course, really clean red wingtips, guys. The paint jobs on these were pretty good. Glue is nice, the stitching is nice. Honestly, I love how this looks on in a smaller shoe. To be honest though, me wearing a size 12, fellas, for us who have the bigger feet, some fellas with the smaller feet, ladies, this is a good shoe for all foot sizes. All right, I know some people have been asking me like, yo Matt, why don't you ever talk about, you know, maybe does a shoe look good on a bigger foot, vice versa? Honestly guys, a shoe looks good if a person can rock it. It's mostly opinionated, but at the end of the day, the Jordan 4, because of its timeless classic nostalgia, it can really go with anything on any foot, any outfit. You can rock it with the distressed jeans that are fitted over the tongue. You can rock it with the baggier jeans. Some cargos will even go nice with it. It's just really, just piece it together, guys. Tell a story with your outfit, you know? But yeah, and that's mainly it, family. Thumbnail. That's mainly it, family. So Jordan Retro 4 Fire Red, super clean shoe, guys. I highly recommend them. From what I understand, this shoe is not limited at all. There will be constant restocks on this shoe, guys. So if you weren't able to get your hands on it, it is quite okay. Now, this pair right here, it's already been sold, so don't hit me up about this pair because it's gone. This is the pair right here. Oh, hold up, I don't want to drop the merchandise. But this is the pair right here, guys. Like I said, really clean shoe through and through. All right, Air Jordan Retro 4 Fire Red. The cool thing that I was able to find about this shoe, now the grade school shoes, from what I understand, some of them came in the cement boxes, some of them didn't, but I actually found a men's extended size 7 at the store that I bought this from that came in the traditional Jordan 4 cement box. So really dope, and this shoe is a size 7, so really clean shoe, guys. And the tag does read, family, Air Jordan 4 Retro White, Fire Red, Black, and Tech Gray. But yeah, guys, nothing really too crazy to see. Traditional Jordan Flight box that we've seen on most Jordan 4s that have come out. Red interior on the top. We have that, let's see. We have that red interior, that cement paper, cement on the out panels of the box as well. So yeah, family, that's mainly it, guys. Really clean shoe. Guys, in the comments, do me a favor. Let me know what you think. Oh, let's see, maybe this could be a thumbnail. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan Retro 4 Fire Reds. Is it a shoe that you picked up? Do you consider this to be one of your grail shoes? What do you guys think? You just let me know. Were you able to get your hands on it? What outfits do you plan on rocking with it? Does this bring back a sense of nostalgia for you? Do you like what Jordan brand is doing with the direction that they're doing with the whole quote unquote remastered line of shoes, where they're incorporating a little bit better material of leather? Guys, let me know what you think, all right? And then let's have a discussion. Like I said, guys, my phone number is in the description. My phone number. Just shoot me a text. Let's chat it up, all right? But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. And Rebels, you already know what's up, man. Thank you for checking out another video. I truly appreciate it. The support does not go unnoticed, guys. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, do all the things, like I said, family, so we can get the channel growing, so we can keep the channel growing, I should say. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mac the Rebel. For Twitter, just put an underscore at the end of the name. So Rebels, with that being said, you already know what's up, man. It's your boy CJ McGill checking out with another video, and I will see you in the next one. And we out. Peace.